Elephant and Soccer Wolf stories. It's a sunny, bouncy afternoon in Little Acorn Town. At the soccer field, Soccer Wolf's team is practicing.
All right, team, gather around. Today, we're doing something different. Everyone will try a new position.
Yes! I'm going to score even more goals.
Actually, Soccer Wolf, today, you'll be our goalkeeper.
Wait, what? But I like scoring goals. Goalkeeping looks really hard. I'm not ready.
I understand. But trying different positions helps you become a better player. Goalkeepers protect the team and see the whole field.
Okay, I'll try. Whoa, these are big.
Let's start with the basics. First, ready position. Bend your knees, stay light on your feet, and keep your eyes on the ball.
Like this? Bend my knees, eyes on the ball.
Perfect. For high balls, make a W shape with your hands. For low balls, make a basket with your hands. And remember, move your feet first. Then get your body behind the ball.
Ready? Eyes on the ball.
Oh no, I missed it.
Nice try. Step toward the ball first, then use your hands.
Step, eyes, hands ready. I stopped it!
Great job! Oh, that's a save! Let's try a few more.
Ready.
Low ball.
Got it.
High ball.
I got it again. Yay! Being a goalkeeper is actually really fun.
Great players aren't afraid to try something new, even when it feels hard at first. Trying new things helps us grow stronger, braver, and more confident, one step at a time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.